But the address is
yeah, so I just here. I came home. I started preparing some lunch for the kids for tomorrow for school. Because I usually do that later.
Yeah, it'd be a good day. Good productive day tomorrow.
And now I'm eating. This is what I have for lunch. I have some
But other than that,
barbecue chicken with pasta and veggies.
I don't know what she's about to do.
And some kind of potato thing. Yeah, I
Yeah,
skipped breakfast for the first time in a very, very long time. I do not skip breakfast. Because I didn't realize that I did not fix breakfast for today. But anyways, yeah, I am gonna sit and eat right now. Yeah, so I'm heading back out, guys. Like, that food was extremely filling. I only ate half of it, so because I'm not a big eater. I only eat small things at a time, so I'm up and down all morning trying to get that tire, and it kind of exhausted me out because I really wanted the I really wanted to get the things done quickly, so I was kind of like helping out the guy that was changing the tire, because it was taking quite a long time. And then the place where you store the spare at the back got stuck, so the spare wasn't getting in. And like, if I can put it in the trunk, because a lot of the kids have these big hefty bags now because they're in older classes, so yeah. Oh, and like, sorry for the blariness at the beginning of the vlog. I did not know that was happening. Wickedness. You want to leave Shadan at class so you can fold your belly, and Shadan at class hungry. Show your face. To walk with it or something, because we have to go for Shadan.
Sorry, could not be helped.
You gonna have to walk with it. We need to get Shadan.
Huh?
Nope.
You're not cleaning the chicken class, yo?
Nakia, what's up?
Yeah, but I'm good. I'm hungry.
Come, go and see if you can get to walk with it. Okay, so they're fixing up over there for some election something.
Yes.
We zoom in there.
Yeah, let's zoom in.
At the basketball court. Next year is elections, and the United Progressive Party, they're having some kind of I don't know, that thing you do before elections where you say, oh, vote for me, blue, blue, blue. Yeah, so they're having that over there today. So I don't know if it's today or weekend or something, but soon they're gonna have it. If not today, maybe in a couple of days. So I'll look forward to noise in my house tonight. Yep, they're having that thing over there. I told you we're gonna have noise tonight. So I'm just cooking some dinner. I doing up some spaghetti.
The camel loves me money for.
Trying to get the just cooling that out, so that I cool it out so that it doesn't continue cooking while it's, you know, just sitting there. So right here, right now, I have some what is this? Right now I have some seasoned pepper, garlic, tomato, onion, and some red cabbage. I'm gonna do that up with my spaghetti. I'm gonna do it up with this. Ooh. Trying to make this as healthy as possible. Yeah, you can.
Anybody ask you to sing?
Look, a question mark mosquito bite.
Awake appetite.
So you're not helping me?
Ding.
Ornamental.
Okay, it doesn't look like a question mark anymore because it's starting to raise up down here. Yeah, we have mosquitoes bad. Yep, it's done. The spaghetti. You can see all the pieces of stuff in there, the chicken and the cabbage and stuff. Yep. All of that? What a joke.
Money by tired.
What's this one? What's this one? Get the eat on. Eating Shema.
I'm not eating, I'm just gradually putting food in my mouth and chewing and swallow it.
Oh, we have a visitor! Yay! Exercise body! Aunt Chanessa, that too good for my vlogs lately.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And money for this. I'm excited. You know that place that I don't get excited.
Because when I go to exercise, it's time for your bed. Like it's time for your bed right now.
Exercise with Breeze now.
I like
You're such a heartbreaker.
I don't like anybody here about me.
Don't drop that.
Hopefully the camera didn't catch that.
Yes, it did.
No.
Breeze drinks green tea. Look at this, peoples. All this here that you're seeing is cars and people in our village. Show us the college dance. Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. Ready, exercise, buddy? Look at the camera, Breeze. Look at the camera. Ready for the exercise? Yeah. We ready! Let's go, Breeze. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Breeze. Let's go.
Let's do the pen and the money file. Let's pen them.
That, Breeze? Yo, this winner. I tell you, right? I do through the whole of insanity with no stop. No stopping.
Leaning me on sudden. It's called a pen down. Not no leaning me on your shirt.
The boy born here, bro.
Come on, yo!
Up, you know I'm gonna like one.
We doing it! Is you ready? We're doing it now, we're doing it, we're doing it.
That the body.
What Breeze do?
That the body. I'm a Spanish test like a boss. But for one section. For one section, right? And look, when you look on Tinia, 0 out. But you always do them right to them when you reach Tinia. And it's the same rule now. Yeah, I just got 0. 10 years to come. I see Eddie Cardo. That's the first thing we learn. See Eddie Cardo. Because we're making noise and the spreadsheet was like, there's something about see Eddie Cardo. And she done.
Warm up is the most important part of the exercise. How many times you've done this video? How many times you've done this workout? Make sure you always warm up nice and good. Alright, as we try to keep it tight, we're gonna be okay, arms out.
The shaman! She call her more name or something.
The energy, y'all. Come on, push.
Pick up the ball.
Pick up the ball.
I mean, I can imagine every person shooting at her.
Oh God.
Let's go. You got it. Jump from the ball.
Pick up the ball. Oh, pick up the ball. Oh, pick up the ball. Oh, pick up the ball.
Down. Set back. 4 push-ups. 4. 3 elbows out. 2. Run it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Feet in. This is level 1 drill. Step back. 4 push-ups. 4, 3, 2. Run it out.
Let's go, Kisha. Let's go.
Oh God, this again.
So women push-ups, go on your knees. So she go push your knees, so she want to listen.
No, longer, stronger. I'll be like a muscle woman. It wasn't on, so Bree's talking about his green tea. He's drinking his green tea. No sugar, crazy guy. Me not drink my sugar, crazy.
I wake up in the morning, I drink a cup of tea before I eat my breakfast. Eat my breakfast, drink a cup of tea again. Well, green tea. Workout, after workout, drink a cup of green tea. Go to work, fill up 2 bottles of green tea,
sugar,
drink it again. When I reach home, before I come here, I drink another one. When I come here, when I finish working out, I drink another one. This is my second cup. No sugar. Losing the weight.
Nah, me drink my sugar. Water. See? No sugar.
Green tea.
Look what Bree's going to make me drink.
Drink
No sugar.
Drink
Who that's in front of her yard?
Drink Drink Let's me force you.
You don't forcing me.
Excuse me. Drink Drink You drink worse things than
I
that.
have goosebumps.
You drink worse things than that.
boy.
You drink that yet?
Correlity.
No sugar.
Alright.
You don't drink that yet?
You want it?
Something. Good.
Wicked.
Oh, there's some breeze.
That was awful. Disgusting. Blech. Yep, there it is. Where they were last night. Making noise in people's heads. They fixed up the place nice because it was looking like that. And now it looks like this. They fixed up everything.